Have you ever come across the shortest books that offer some of the most profound insights? Well, today we're diving into one such hidden gem from the Bible, the book of 2 John. It's a tiny epistle with only 13 verses, yet it's packed with wisdom and guidance that's as relevant today as it was centuries ago. Now imagine a letter written by someone passionately caring about the truth and love above all. That's what 2 John is. It's a letter from John, one of Jesus' closest apostles, to a chosen lady and her children. This isn't just a personal note, it's an important reminder about truth and love. The very core of 2 John revolves around two key themes: walking in truth and love, and the warning against deceivers. John emphasizes the importance of abiding in the teachings of Christ. In verse 6, he beautifully states, "And this is love, that we walk in obedience to his commands." It's a powerful reminder that real love isn't just in words, but in our actions and obedience to Jesus' teachings. Another crucial part of this letter is the warning against false teachers. In verse 7, John warns, "Many deceivers who do not acknowledge Jesus Christ as coming in the flesh have gone out into the world." He urges the readers to be cautious and not lose what they've worked for by falling for deceptive teachings.
John emphasizes the need for discernment, especially in recognizing those who don't teach the true doctrine of Christ. It's a nudge to the early Christians, and to us, not to be swayed by smooth-talking deceivers, but to stay firm in our faith.
In wrapping up this short yet powerful message, John expresses his desire to visit the chosen lady and her children, showing the importance of personal relationships and face-to-face communication, something that resonates with us even today. So, there you have it. The book of 2 John might be brief, but its teachings about walking in truth, upholding love, and being vigilant against falsehoods are timeless. It's a quick read, but one that asks us to reflect deeply. Curious yet? Dive into this short letter and see how such a seemingly insignificant book can have such a profound impact.